So blood that has gone through this system, the body system, given up its oxygen, it's going to be blue blood because it doesn't have as much oxygen. That's going to come through superior vena cava right here or inferior vena cava right here. Both of those are going to go into right atrium. Right atrium through the tricuspid valve, because try to get it right, tricuspid valve, that is going to go into the right ventricle. The right ventricle is smaller than the left ventricle because the right ventricle pumps into the pulmonary trunk, which is not as big of a circulation system as the entire body. The right side pumps to just the pulmonary system. So once that goes through the pulmonary trunk, it is going to come back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, which are right here.
And then it comes back
Behind the heart. Pulmonary veins over here. This is confusing because the pulmonary veins are red. They have oxygenated blood, but they're still called veins. Any vein will take blood back towards the heart. Any artery takes it away from the heart. These are still red because they just came from the lungs and are going to be pumped into the body system. So that is going to come through pulmonary veins into the left atrium. That is going to go through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle and then out of the aorta and into the body system. A couple of structures to highlight are right below here. The three that you also need to know, other than the main parts of the circulation, are right here. Interventricular septum, which just separates the left and the right ventricles, and then the papillary muscles, and then the chordae tendineae. The chordae tendineae make sure that the valves only open and close in one direction. So they're gonna pull on those valves. And then the papillary muscles are what contract so that they pull the chordae tendineae so that the valves only open in one direction. Okay, one more time. The circulation is superior, inferior vena cava into the right atrium, right ventricle into the pulmonary trunk and the pulmonary system. That is going to come back through the pulmonary veins behind the heart into the left atrium, through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. That's going to be pumped up with a lot of pressure through the aorta into the whole body system.